Good evening. Tonight we're going to bake a cake. We will start by making a thick base. Once again, sorry. Good evening. Tonight we're going to bake a cake. We will start with making a thick base, which we will cut into 2 different pieces, and then we'll put the pieces back together with fresh strawberries and cream between the layers. Afterwards, we will decorate the cake with more whipped cream and strawberries so that it will attract the attention of everyone and tempt them to have a bite. We will start with melting 150 grams of butter with the chocolate. Now only the finest chocolate will do, so let's make it a dark one with a bitter taste that implies something very sinful. After that, we mix the dry ingredients together. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of baking soda and half a tablespoon of baking powder, and a half a cup of cocoa to make the base even darker. Now, let's whip 2 eggs in a bowl. Oh. Can we edit this, please? Okay, again. Now, let's, once again, sorry. Now, let's whip 2 eggs in a bowl. Oh my God. I'm just gonna do that with a, is that okay? Do you have a cord for that? Is it really working, you know? Thanks. Just straight into this, okay. Well, it's probably better to use the electronic mixer for this one. Sorry, I am just awful today. And now we will pour the mixture into it. This is going to be a good cake. And we'll put it in the oven at 200 degrees and leave it there for 45 minutes. Right. Well, now we've already. Now the cake has cooled down a bit, so we take it out of the form. And then the most vital part of this baking, the cutting of the cake. The cutting can be very risky. If the cake has been baked for too long or too short, it can all fall apart. And we don't want that. So just cut it very carefully. The cutting, very risky. The most vital part of this baking, very risky. Oh, this is just beautiful. Absolutely perfect. The cutting, very risky. The most vital part of this baking, very risky. Pure temptation. So kind of, there's a earthquakey feeling about this cake. The decoration should never be underestimated. I can tell you, for sure, no one would have half a slice of this cake if we only served it as the base. Decoration is just as important as the base. I'm just wondering if this is going to be too long. Do you think we can just have it fast forward or something? The cutting, very risky. The most vital part of this baking, very risky. Pure temptation. Pure temptation. Pure temptation. Pure temptation. Pure temptation. I don't think my mom would have been very proud of me now, but well, anyway. Well, I'm not going to say don't try this at home, because I think you really should. So enjoy the evening. See you later. Ta-ta. This is disaster.